Hey Samsung users, if your contacts list is full of old or unnecessary numbers, here's a simple way to remove unwanted contacts on Samsung Galaxy. Follow these easy steps. Step 1. Delete a single contact. Opening the Contacts applications. You can also open the phone app and switch to the Contacts tab. Scroll or search for the contact you want to remove and tap on their name to open the full details page. Now tap the More option, 3 vertical dots, usually at the top right or bottom corner depending on your device. From the menu, select Delete, then confirm by tapping Move to Trash. The contact will be removed but still recoverable from the trash if needed. Step 2. Delete multiple or all contacts. If you want to clean up several contacts at once, open the Contacts app again. Press and hold any contact until selection mode is activated. Now tap on other contacts one by one or simply tap Select All at the top if you want to remove everything. Once selected, tap the delete icon at the bottom of the screen and confirm by choosing Move to Trash. This is the fastest way to perform a bulk cleanup. Step 3. Permanent deletion, privacy cleanup. If you want to permanently remove contacts for privacy reasons, you need to empty the trash. Open the Contacts app menu, 3 horizontal lines. Then tap Trash or Recycle bin. Here you will see recently deleted contacts. Tap Empty at the top right or select specific contacts and choose Delete Forever. Once done, they cannot be recovered. Always double-check before permanently deleting anything, especially important business or saved numbers. That's it. Your Samsung contacts are now clean, organized, and easy to manage.